Hello everybody, again, welcome to Hagen's Urban Greenscape. And as you all can tell, I have quite a bit of leaves in the garden that I need to clean up. And I'm going to get a leaf blower and get all these leaves out of here, because you can't really tell. Well, you can tell I got all kind of stuff growing, but it's being covered by all these leaves. There's a tree right above my head there. A big old, I think it's a elm tree, and it's all these leaves I've just blew all in my garden, covering up everything. So I need to get all that pulled out, blow all these out, so that you can see what's going on. Quite a bit of things happening in here. You can't really tell because everything is covered up by all these leaves. But we got a few things growing. That's my fig tree, my dwarf fig tree. That's growing really good. Got a few figs on there, you can see. Onions, I need to cut those back. And me and my wife came out here yesterday and we pulled all this stuff out of here, all these leaves, and they're right back. So we're gonna have to really do some. Look at my, what you call that, cauliflower. One cauliflower. Before you be quick to pull something out of the ground, just wait a little while and see what happens. You will probably be surprised of all of the things that will come up after a while. So don't be hasty to pull things out of the ground. Okay, so what we're doing today is we're trying to clean up some stuff, as well as I got a few things I need to pot here. And I need to mix up some solution. So we got a lot of stuff going on right now, but we're gonna get it all done here soon. So y'all stay tuned. I'll be back. I don't want to bore you too much, but I'll be back. Still got a little more to go. All right, stay tuned.